Welcome back to my channel, Technology in the Future. Today, we're diving into some groundbreaking news, stirring up excitement across the tech world. DJI, a brand renowned for innovation in drone technology, might just be gearing up to launch its first ever mirrorless camera. You heard that right, a game-changing mirrorless camera that could rival industry titans like Sony, Nikon, and Canon. This development can potentially disrupt the camera industry in ways we've never seen before. Let's break down the rumors, expectations, and potential innovations that could redefine photography as we know it. A bold new direction for DJI. DJI has already cemented itself as a leader in aerial photography with products like the Mavic 3, DJI Mini Series, and the highly anticipated DJI Neo. But in recent years, DJI has subtly been expanding its horizons, exploring other areas of imaging technology. According to insider reports from Sony Alpha Rumors, trusted sources have revealed that DJI is preparing to unveil a revolutionary product, an interchangeable lens mirrorless camera. Speculation suggests that this product will debut as early as September, making the CES 2025 stage the perfect place for a big reveal. The Hasselblad Connection, a key advantage. What makes this even more intriguing is DJI's acquisition of Hasselblad, a manufacturer famed for its premium medium-format cameras. Hasselblad's reputation for crafting unparalleled imaging technology could heavily influence DJI's mirrorless camera. By merging Hasselblad's design expertise with DJI's knack for cutting-edge innovation, the result could be a device that not only competes but potentially surpasses the best from Sony's Alpha series, Canon's EOS R lineup, and Nikon's Z series cameras. Reimagining usability for creators. One area where DJI has consistently excelled is user experience. The company's products, such as the DJI Ronin 4D and Osmo Pocket series, demonstrate a keen understanding of what creators need: intuitive design, compact functionality, and seamless workflows. This expertise could make its mirrorless camera stand out by addressing common pain points in the current market. For example, many popular cameras still feature complex menu systems, clunky workflows, and outdated connectivity options. If DJI incorporates Hasselblad's minimalist Scandinavian menu design, coupled with their advanced engineering, this camera could offer a user-friendly interface that's accessible to both hobbyists and professionals, bridging the gap between smartphones and cameras. One of the most frustrating issues photographers face today is transferring images between their cameras and mobile devices. Despite advancements in connectivity, many systems are still slow and cumbersome. DJI, with its experience in creating products like the Mavic 3, which boasts seamless wireless data transfer capabilities, could bring a fresh approach. Imagine a mirrorless camera that eliminates the need for SD cards or external adapters, allowing instant photo transfers via advanced Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth LE, or even eSIM technology. With eSIM, photographers could back up files to the cloud on the go, offering peace of mind and convenience. This would be a monumental leap for creators who need quick access to their media, whether for sharing on social platforms or meeting tight project deadlines. Revolutionizing internal storage. Another area where DJI could innovate is internal storage. The Mavic 3 already offers up to 1 terabyte of built-in storage, and integrating similar capabilities into a mirrorless camera would be revolutionary. Creators wouldn't have to worry about carrying multiple SD cards or running out of storage during critical shoots. Combine this with lossless file transfer technology, and DJI could redefine the standards of accessibility and efficiency in photography. Lens compatibility and innovation. A major selling point for any new mirrorless camera is its compatibility with existing lens systems. DJI has already demonstrated its ability to create versatile lens ecosystems with its DL mount lenses and the Ronin 4D, which supports multiple third-party mounts. By extending this flexibility to its mirrorless camera, DJI could appeal to a wide range of users, from professionals with extensive lens collections to newcomers looking for affordable options. Moreover, DJI could leverage its engineering capabilities to develop a new line of high-quality, budget-friendly lenses, offering a comprehensive ecosystem that balances affordability with performance. Challenging the industry giants. Despite its immense potential, breaking into the mirrorless camera market won't be easy. Companies like Sony, Canon, and Nikon have decades of experience, loyal customer bases, and a stronghold on market share. For DJI to succeed, It needs to bring something truly revolutionary to the table, not just incremental improvements. However, if there's any company capable of achieving this, it's DJI, with its track record of disrupting industries with innovative solutions, overcoming challenges and setting new standards. Some uncertainties still loom. The rumors about DJI's mirrorless camera stem from sources outside DJI, and there haven't been concrete leaks about its specifications or features. Additionally, integrating advanced technologies like eSIM and internal storage into a consumer-focused product could pose pricing challenges. Balancing innovation with affordability will be crucial for DJI to make a significant impact. That said, DJI's entry into this space could force existing players to step up their game, leading to a ripple effect of improvements across the industry. Whether it's seamless connectivity, intuitive design, or versatile compatibility, DJI has the expertise to address these pain points and redefine the modern camera. What's next? As we edge closer to CES 2025, the excitement surrounding DJI's rumored mirrorless camera continues to grow. If the whispers are true, this launch could mark a turning point not just for DJI, but for the entire photography landscape. A device that combines Hasselblad's premium imaging capabilities, DJI's innovative engineering, and a user-first approach could become the ultimate tool for creators worldwide. Whether you're a professional photographer, a budding filmmaker, or a hobbyist looking to elevate your craft, the potential of DJI's mirrorless camera is something to watch. Keep an eye out for September. It might just bring the future of photography right into your hands.